Well, we promised Miss Furtado and her people that we'd have something for her by the end of the day.
And let's start riffing. Kid, you pluck out some chords.
Kid, you write everything we say down, lyrics-wise. I was thinking of starting like,
You're beautiful, that's for sure. You're never, ever fake.
Oh, that's cool. And then maybe like, you're lovely, but it's not for sure.
it's not for sure.
That I won't ever change.
Okay, and then,
Though my love is red.
Awesome. And though my love is true.
and for the chorus,
I'm like a bird, I have hollow bones. And my house is made of garbage. And I'm covered up in feathers. And maybe all I need for you to know
I'm
is
like a bird, I sleep up in a tree. I don't understand windows. I poop eggs to make babies. And baby, all I need for you to know is...
okay, this isn't just good, this is really good.
We are great at this.
Let's not second guess it.
Yeah, all right.
You
So
keep
for the
going.
second verse, I'm thinking like, your faith in me brings me to tears. Even after all these years.
and it pains me so much today. You don't know me that way.
Nailed it. No, my love is real.
No, my love is true. Whoa, 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 yeah.
All right, here we go. I am like a bird, I'm terrified of storms. I'm terrified of traffic. I'm terrified of bigger birds. And baby, all I need for you to know
I'm
is...
like a bird, I'll only fly away.
Whoa, hold on. That doesn't work. You can't only fly away.
You can't only fly away because you're always flying towards something. I'm a dumb idiot for thinking that. Erase that one, scratch it, not on the page, just cut it out.
Yeah,
just
scratch it. Shake it off, man.
Okay.
It's all right. It's all right.
What about something like,
I'm like a bird, I'm terrified of airplanes.
Yeah.
And I'm terrified of kitty cats.
Perfect.
still pooping eggs to make a baby?
And maybe all I need for you to know
I am
is
like a bird, I don't have any ears. I'm sometimes a penguin, sometimes I eat breadcrumbs. And baby, all I need for you to know
I'm like
is...
a bird, I shit it on your car. And maybe I have bird flu, cause I only have 3 toes.
Oh, and then we can fade it out. I am like a bird, sometimes I'm at an airport, sometimes I'm in a Walmart, sometimes I have an irregular heartbeat.
I'm like a bird, I'm eating lots of worms. And I used to be a dinosaur. Taste really good. And maybe all I need for you to know is...
And that's great.
Congratulations!